Hi, Bessie. I'm going to set up the pocket acrylic fluted notebook that I purchased on Amazon and make it into a chunky pocket planner. So if you're interested in that, hopefully come along and join me today. Hi, Bestie. Welcome to my page. So, guys, I got this acrylic notebook from off of Amazon, but it did come with gold rings. But I changed that out to some black rings that I've had. And on Amazon, you get 2 pocket-sized acrylic notebooks with the gold rings for $16.98. And I was like, you can't beat that. And so I don't have a pocket size blackout planner. And so I went through some of my old pocket ring planners that I've had. And I pulled those particular inserts and dashboards to add to this acrylic cover here to make my blackout pocket ring planner. Because I already have blackout planner in A5 and also my personal ring. But I'll say, when I saw the acrylic binder on Amazon, I was like, you know what? I'm going to make me a blackout planner because I already have the inserts. I don't have to purchase anything. I'm shopping my stash. And I say, you know what? I'm going to do this, and this will be absolutely perfect to add to my smaller handbags that I carry. And then eventually I might have to make some adjustments to this. But this is what I'm going to try so far. And the inserts and the dashboards that I'm adding to this are all from Shop Villa Beautiful, Cloth and Paper, No Tea, and Light Planner Action. And these are just things that I've had in my old pocket ring planner. So guys, make sure you shop. And I always love this insert here. So I want to use it as a back since the back cover is clear. That my tulip is my favorite flower too. So you can see it. But yeah, guys, if you already have like inserts and dashboards, which you probably already do because as planner girls, we got all the things, so make sure you shop your stash to create your agendas and your planners because I'm sure there are some unused things and some slightly used things that you already have that you can use. And for the acrylic binder, I would include my Amazon affiliate link in the description. And I did purchase these black binder clips off of Amazon last year. And I will find a link for those, and I will have that information in the description. This is my only thing classing together. I'm so used to using planners that already have the rings in them. And they're sturdy because they're within the agenda cover. I struggle with this. Do you struggle with these type of clips as well? And one thing I noticed with these particular inserts that I'm adding in here, some of them I cut where the hole is so I could just snap them in. But some of them I didn't do that. And I probably should. But I'm struggling. I'm struggling, guys. Because I'm just used to having a planner that already has the rings on there. You don't have to hold them together. So let me try this again this way so I can close it. But how are you doing? Hopefully all is well with you. What size planners do you use? Do you use Pocket, Happy Planner Mini, Happy Planner Classic, Big, A5, or personal ring size planners? Then I know some people use like B6 planners as well. Let me know that in the chat. And as you see, I'm having problems trying to close this. Alright guys, so this is my new pocket size Blackout planner. And I am excited about using this. And I need to add my pen clip to it. I think I'm going to use the Eclipse cloth and paper pen holder to this. But I'm excited about doing this. And also, guys, do you know anyone that sells the Black Today rulers? If you know that, leave that in the chat. But thank you for joining me. Toodles.